Let us see how you can utilize the new API campaign feature. Now, what are API campaigns? So, API campaigns are a simpler way to track messages sent by a particular access token. Right now, when you send messages from the channel's access token, there is no tracking report on how many messages were sent by a particular API key or API token. Now, utilizing the API campaign, you'll be easily able to track all these things. First, let us click on create new campaign, API campaign, select your channel, and then select the enter campaign name. Now select whether the token that gets generated for this API campaign, will it be lifetime available, or will it have a limited time period based on validity. Now we'll click on never expire and click on create campaign. Now you have got the token here. Click on copy token. You need to paste this token as the bearer token in your authorization. Now, for using the API campaign feature, you should first know how to send messages via channel, and then the only thing that changes here is the authorization token. So if you're not aware on how to send messages via API, kindly search in the help documentation. You will get the documentation here. So the entire the setup to create or send messages via API, the process remains the same. Just to enable tracking, you need to use a different token. And then say for example, this is the receiver number. I'm clicking on send message. Now when we go and check here in the reports section, because we have utilized the access token of this API campaign, we should be able to see it here. Now because the number was a dummy number, it is failed obviously. You can export the report from here, and then you'll get the entire CSV file with the data or statistics for each and every number and what was the reason of failure error as well. So this is how you can utilize API campaign to track messages sent via API, to get reports of messages sent via API. Please note, the sending message structure of the API call remains the same. The only thing that changes is the token, and this token, authorization token, will vary or will differ for each API campaign. Thank you.